Hello, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing grammar. Here we go. Open your book to page 87, language. Today we are going to see comparative and superlative adjectives, ER or EST. Watch the comparative and superlatives video. So, are you ready for class? Here we go.
Comparative and superlative adjectives. Do you remember what an adjective is? That's right! An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Today, we are going to learn more about comparative and superlative adjectives. Are you ready? Comparative adjectives compare two nouns. To use the comparative form, keep in mind these simple rules. 1. For one-syllable adjectives, just add ER followed by the word than. My brother is taller than my mom. Math is harder than science. 2. For most adjectives with two or more syllables, we use the word more, followed by the adjective and the word than. This cake is more delicious than those cookies. You look more elegant than the queen. Superlative adjectives compare three or more nouns. Here are some simple rules to use superlative adjectives correctly. 1. For one-syllable adjectives, just add EST preceded by the word the. Samantha is the coolest girl in her class. From all the animals, the cheetah runs the fastest. 2. For most adjectives with two or more syllables, we use the words the most, followed by the adjective. Our neighborhood is the most peaceful place in the city. Jack is the most intelligent person I know. Now I know that comparative adjectives compare two or more nouns, and superlative adjectives compare three or more nouns. Need more practice? Check out the language section of your book for more exercises. The end.
Okay, excellent. We are going to review, okay? The comparative adjectives are used to compare two or more people, places, things, or animals. They express whether a person, a place, a thing, or an animal has more of a specific quality. For most adjectives, we add er followed by the word than. For adjectives with three or more syllables, we use the word more before the adjective, followed by the word than. Examples: Johnny is taller than Lucas. Carolina is more interested in science than History is a comparative. Okay, superlative adjectives are used to describe one person, place, thing, or animal that has superior qualities compared to all the other elements in its group. We add the before the adjective and est to the adjective. For adjectives with three or more syllables, we use the must before the adjective. Examples: her dad bought the fastest car at the dealership. That is the most beautiful work of art I have ever seen. Okay, it's time to put in practice what you have learned. Circle the correct adjective for each sentences. Number one, this is the greater or greatest birthday ever. Number two, my sister is more beautiful than or the most beautiful girl. Number three, his plate is cleaner or cleanest than yours. Four, my grandma is the older or the oldest member of the family. Okay, I know that you are going to do a great job. But if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, your attitude determines your directions. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.